guys, it's Kira and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make cool drawings out of random pieces of paper. To make this drawing, all you need is scissors, color or scrap papers, and some pens and pencils. And if you want, you could also use some markers and color pencils. So first what I did was I drew a random character. You can make any character that you like, either from a movie or from your own imagination, which is what I did.
Part of drawing is tracing the doodle with my black pen because it pops out the details that you can't see when I draw it with a pencil, and it looks so much more better.
So I finally finished my drawing, and then I was going to stick pieces of paper. So the papers I was going to use was a yellow sticky note, red paper, and orange paper, and also another yellow color. So I was just tearing pieces of paper and then sticking at random places. And then after I stick the paper, I do another drawing, either another face or like something else. camera, I stuck a bunch of different papers and then I was going to draw over them. So this is how it looks. I really like how it looks and it turned out really cute and aesthetic. And now I'm going to complete the other drawing.